Google Sheets has a couple of very simple ways to make charts and graphs inside of Sheets, and I'm going to show you right now how to do it. You need to start with some data on your sheet, and in this case I put types of candy here and the candy count here. You can also arrange the data in this way and you can still make the same types of charts and graphs. So let's work from this data right here. So to make a chart, the first thing that you need to do is select your data. So I'm just going to grab all my data here. And now I'm going to go to the word insert and down to the word chart. And it has made a lot of decisions for me, and it did some really good quick thinking and decided that I would like a bar graph. I don't have to have a bar graph. In fact, I could choose that pie style graph if I wanted to. And I can also rearrange my bar graph in a different way. So let's start with this. Let's add some titles where it says chart and axis titles. And if you'll pull that down, there's a little drop down menu here. And so you can decide where the titles are going to go. So we can give our chart itself a title. Okay. Then we can also title the horizontal axis and the vertical axis. So our horizontal axis is the types of candy, and our vertical axis is the quantity of candy. All right, and as you could see, as I was typing those titles, they were popping right here on my chart. So basically my chart is finished. Now I can leave it right where it is inside of a spreadsheet, or I can copy it and I can paste it into something else in another place where I would like it to appear. I can either link it to the spreadsheet or I could paste it unlinked so it doesn't connect to the spreadsheet, and paste, and there's my chart inside of my Google Doc. And that's how to make a chart in Google Sheets.